It's, bumpy.
This? This is nothing. I could whip you around again, show you the old loop-de-loop.
Every family is weird, but trust me, mine is the weirdest. My dad is Bigfoot.
What's the next step? Clothing line? Sneaker endorsement?
Video game deal? Yes, the Bigfoot. You wouldn't know it, but I'm a Bigfoot too.
Wow.
Extract oil puts nature first.
Clean oil by Extract.
Clean oil? Huh, you've got to be kidding me.
With your fame and influence, you could help stop Extract before it's too late.
You just got a home. You can't leave again.
What's the point of fame if I don't use it to make the world a better place?
Got to go!
Why did Extract need armed guards if they've got nothing to hide?
Breaking news. Bigfoot has gone missing.
What?
He needs our help.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Hey guys, buckle up.
So much for no environmental impact. Mom! Dad!
And the hero rode in on his mighty steed.
They definitely noticed us.
What gave it away, Mom?
Don't sass your mother. Hang on.
Let's finish this thing. Together.
We're making pancakes.
Hit me.
Oh, shoot.
Trapper.
Don't blame me for your lousy catch.
Do we know where the light is?